We're at the Boston Flower Market here in Chelsea, Massachusetts, covering the waterfront, so to speak. The juiciest, biggest, most perfect hydrangeas I think I've ever seen. Let's take it back. Amazing. Spectacular. This is the Direct Flowers Company. She carries a lot of unusual products, including Japanese grown product and also Massachusetts grown product. She's got it all here. Stellar flower market here in Boston. Prices have gone up since COVID. There's the queen of the market right there. She is the girl. When you need help, see her at Direct Flowers. Look, rice flower. So, we do get you flowers shipped direct to you. Just get a hold of me. If you need flowers for weddings or special events, I now can have my friends here at different markets throughout the country, depending on where you live. Look, anthurium. Ship these flowers direct. So don't hesitate. Call me and I'll get you the good stuff. So join us in class, Flower School 101.com. Look at that. Michael Gaffney, flowerschool101.com.